Hi, I'm Amalie Schaefer with Systematic Excellence Consulting, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add users in ClickUp. So there's a few different ways to do this. We can do this at the list level. We can do this at the task level. And all you do is click on the three dots. You go to sharing permissions, you put their email address in here, and then next. So then you are going to select full, and you're going to select if they're a guest or a member. And if it is a member, that's a paid, the paid user. I'll be showing you information about guests in ClickUp in the next video, but for this one it would be a member, and then you'd click invite. So you can do it at the list level, you can do it at the task level. So if you were going to do that here, you'd go to sharing permissions, and again you'd type their email address in and add them there. Another way is if you have dashboards, you can do that here. So you would just click on the three dots, go to sharing permissions, again type it in here. You can make dashboards public to the workspace, so if you have users added already, you'd be able to make it public to the workspace, so then anyone in your workspace would be able to see that. Now another way to do that is in settings. So clicking down at the two circles at the bottom, and these are your personal settings for your account, and these are the workspace settings. So in here, we'll click on people. And so you can invite people here, and you would type their email address in there. And then you can make them a member or admin, click invite, and then they would be listed here. So then you can manage their role there. And then guests would be listed there. I'll show you the back end of my account with my team, and you can see we have multiple members here, and we can change their roles, and we can either set them as an admin, we can convert them as a guest, copy the member ID from here, and then we can also see all of our guests that we have in here, and we can make these people full members, or we can remove them or copy the ID. So you can see here how you would add those. So again, you can add people or users at the list view or the list level through clicking here, sharing and permissions, and you can do it at the task level. And add them as a user there. Okay, and depending on the role that the person is going to play would determine how you set them up, whether they're a user or they're a guest. But a user is one that you're going to be paying for as part of your subscription with ClickUp. So if they're a team member or someone that's going to be working with you long term, it might make sense for them to be a user versus a guest. If you're stuck and need some one-on-one help, or have a more extensive project you'd like help with so you can get back to business, you can book a free discovery call with me using the link below. In the next video, I'm going to show you some more uses for ClickUp guests versus users. So thank you for watching.